In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Fusion 360 Error 13 step by step. If you recently opened Fusion and suddenly saw Error 13 appear, don't worry, this error usually looks scary, but in most cases, it's actually very easy to fix. Error 13 is typically related to file access or permission issues, which means Fusion cannot properly read or write certain files on your system. In this guide, I'll explain the most common causes of this error and show you several simple fixes that usually solve the problem within a few minutes. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any of the fixes, and if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Fusion 360 tutorials and quick software fixes. Now let's get started. First, let's quickly understand why Fusion 360 Error 13 happens. Unlike many Fusion errors, Error 13 is usually not related to modeling tools, sketches, or design features. Instead, it appears when Fusion has trouble accessing files it needs to run properly. This can happen because of file permission problems, corrupted cache files, antivirus software blocking Fusion, or sometimes an incomplete or damaged installation of the software. The good news is that these issues are usually easy to fix with a few quick steps. Let's go through them one by one. The first fix is simply restarting Fusion 360. Close the application completely and make sure it is not running in the background. Then open Fusion again normally. Sometimes the error happens because a file was temporarily locked or Fusion failed to load something correctly. Restarting the application forces the software to reload all required files and can instantly solve the issue. If the error still appears, the next thing to check is file permissions. Fusion needs permission to read and write files inside its working directories and project folders. If your system blocks access, Fusion may trigger Error 13. Locate the folder where your Fusion data or project files are stored and make sure your user account has full access to that folder. On Windows, you can do this by right-clicking the folder, opening Properties, and checking the security permissions. After confirming access, launch Fusion again and see if the error disappears. The next fix is clearing the Fusion 360 cache. Temporary cache files help Fusion run faster, but sometimes they become corrupted and cause unexpected errors. To fix this, close Fusion 360 completely and delete the temporary cache files from the Fusion cache folder. When you open Fusion again, the software will automatically rebuild fresh cache files, which often resolves Error 13. Another simple but very effective step is restarting your computer. Sometimes files are locked by background processes or other applications. Restarting your system releases those locked files and allows Fusion to access them normally again. After the restart, open Fusion 360 and check if the issue is gone. If you still see Error 13 after trying these steps, the final solution is reinstalling Fusion 360. Uninstall the current version from your computer, then download the latest version from the official Autodesk website and install it again. A clean installation replaces any missing or damaged files that may be causing the error. One important thing to remember is that Error 13 is usually not related to your design or modeling work. It almost always appears because Fusion cannot access certain required files or directories on your system. Once those access issues are fixed, the software should run normally again. And that's how you fix Fusion 360 Error 13 step by step. If this video helped you solve the problem, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Fusion 360 tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and quick software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.